Today we're upgrading this Jaguar F-Type P300. The 2-litre 4-cylinder turbocharged version of the F-Type is known to be a superb driver's car, just like its bigger, angrier relatives. The lighter front end and lower weight delivers fantastic sports car handling. The exhaust note can be a little on the quiet side for some tastes though, so this owner decided an upgrade was in order. Today we're installing our exclusive Paramount Performance valve control performance exhaust system, made from high quality stainless steel and designed specifically for the 2-litre F-Type. To the best of our knowledge, this is the only system available which integrates the valve controls with the original controls on the car. Not only does a system like this significantly improve sound, it is also incredibly durable and long-lived, and will most likely last longer than you own the car. A system like this can also result in some weight saving too. What's more, a freer breathing system like this opens up the opportunity for a remap and some additional power. Our experienced technicians will be happy to install this system for you at our Warwickshire-based workshop. Alternatively, we can provide worldwide mail order so you have the system installed at a location of your choice. Let's hear how it sounds. That sure is a notable improvement. The owner was absolutely delighted. If you'd like to unlock your car's true potential, visit paramount-performance.com or give us a call on 01789 774444.